Alright, fellow YouTubers, here we go. We got an Echo CS352. It's got a 16-inch bar on it. We're changing out the bar to the Oregon Powersharp. We got a couple extra chains here. The chains come with the grinding stone. You got to get the starter kit though, and it comes with the chain, the grinding stone, the bar, and the sharpener, or the thing that clips on the end of the bar. That way you can sharpen it in a matter of seconds, and you know, in 1 or 2 minutes you got your chain sharp instead of having to file it by hand or take it off and do it with one of the mini chop saws or whatever. Of course, this is a special designed chain to work with this grinding stone and the thing that holds the grinding stone here, the sharpener. Then you got the bar right here, or guide bar, or whatever you want to call it, chain bar, and we got to chain that out, and we're going to put this fairly decent bar on an older saw and put that new bar on the new one here. And you can see we got all that, and we got this fancy welding table. There's a video on it that me and my son built it and spin it around, and boy, that thing is nice. So let's get this bar on. And there we go. It looks pretty fancy on there. And this thing here, you open it up, and we don't put the grinding stone in there. It just slides right out, see? And then these little things right here, it pops right in that grooves right there. Put that on there, and when you're ready to sharpen it, you got to put these pins right here, these pegs. You got to put them in the holes there. You put them in the holes like that. Close that. Clip that, and then when you clip this and close it all on there, when your blade is dull, then you just push that right there against whatever, and you're good to go. That's what it looks like inside. Well, here we go. You can see some of the stuff I'm cutting, like that one right there. That's probably, I don't know, 10 inches in diameter maybe. And it's not the cleanest wood. It ain't the dirtiest either. A lot of this stuff I bulldozed a couple of years ago, probably about 3 or 4 years ago with a dozer, and so I mean a lot of it's got some sand and clay and whatnot sitting on it. But you know, I'm not over here jamming the saw in rocks and dirt and sand and stuff on purpose. I'm just kind of cutting what's there, and even some of the root balls I'm having to work with and stuff like that, and cutting through them. And the saw lasted, the blade lasted 3 fill ups. I don't know. I know sometimes I can't even get 1 tank of fuel in the saw, and it'll be dull hitting the dirt, the sand, or whatever. And cutting this dirty old stuff, I got filled that tank 3 times and sharpened it, and it's still running like a champ. And that Oregon Powersharp, the Oregon Powersharp, it just it's a good deal. We'll try to get a little shot of sharpening it here in a little bit. Now we're going to sharpen the blade after we've been using it. Here you can see we sharpened it once already. And you put these pegs, these pins, stick them in the holes right here, like that. And when we go over there and we push on it, you'll see that move right there. So now you close that on there, click it, and now we're going to sharpen it. Well, it's fuel.
So.
That fast to sharpen.